Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and this is the new Montblanc Summit Lite. The latest luxury smartwatch to launch, and we've got it in to unbox and check it out. A review is going to follow at a later date, but for now let's just unpack it and set it up. If you do like this video, please do hit that thumbs up, subscribe and tap the little notification bell so you don't miss any more. So once we get the outer sleeve off, the actual box inside features a subtle minimalist drawing of the watch on the lid. And once that's lifted, the watch itself sits pride of place on top. Moving that to one side, we get a look at what else comes with it, and spoiler alert, there's not a huge amount. First is the long sleeve, containing all the paperwork you'd expect. There's a fold-out quick start guide that tells you what all the buttons do, and then you have a thick booklet that gives you all the safety information in lots of different languages. Then there's the charging cradle. You can see it features 4 small connector pins that charge the watch, plus the Montblanc icon in the middle and a recessed cutout where the digital crown sits, so you can only put the watch in one way. Underneath you'll find Montblanc's branding and a USB Type-C connector hidden away for plugging it into a power source. There's also a USB-A to USB-C cable in the box. So let's get to the watch. It's a classy, stylish looking case which, depending on personal preference, you'll either love it or not. I like the combination of the shiny polished metals and the softer anodized casing though. That case also features some elegant subtle curves and angles which you might not notice without a closer look. The other thing you might miss is the subtle grey index lines on the bezel around the screen. On the underside you'll find the heart rate sensors and the 4 connector points that line up with those pins on the charging cable. There are 3 buttons on the side, with the middle also acting as a rotating digital crown. You can use this to scroll through menus and screens on the watch, but also click it in to launch the app menu or go back to the home screen. Now the buttons feel like quality buttons too, particularly the top and the bottom ones, which give a reassuring clicky feel when pressed. And the crown rotates really smoothly. It's built to last as well, so it's waterproof up to 5 atmospheres or 50 meters. Now the strap with our model is the thick black rubber strap, which does feel a bit sticky on first impressions, but feels durable, and the clasp is finished in a lovely matte grey again, featuring that Montblanc logo. You can get watches with other straps and other finishes too. There's one that comes with a fabric strap, for instance. Setting up the watch feels a lot like any other Wear OS watch. You download the Wear OS app on your phone, connect the watch and go through the basic tutorial that shows you how to control the interface by swiping in different directions on the touchscreen. Montblanc has added its own touches by including some pre-installed watch faces and a fitness tracking interface which not only lets you log workouts but also keeps an eye on your sleep, your stress levels, and can even predict how much energy you have based on your sleep and activity. Plus it can tell you how fit you are. Or at least that's the theory. We're yet to test it in full, so we don't know how accurate that is yet. As for the screen, that's a 1.2-inch 390 by 390 resolution AMOLED panel, which is relatively standard in Wear OS watches these days. It seems bright and colourful on first looks, and animations look fluid enough for a watch too. Inside it features the Snapdragon 3100 processor, so sadly not the latest wearable chipset from Qualcomm. It's available to buy now and can be yours for around £700. So there you have it, a quick look and an overview of the Summit Lite. I've been Cam. I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter if you want to follow me there or ask me questions, but of course you can use the comment section down below if you want to. Again, if you like this video, please do leave a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the little notification bell to make sure you don't miss any more of our videos.